Hello everyone, let me ask you a honest question. Have you are started learning 1 month ago or 2 months ago, but when you are when you started speaking, you feel shy and you are you speak shy and nervous, and you you understand English, but when it comes to speaking, your mind goes blank. ତମେ ଇଂଲିଶ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ବଟ୍ ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବାକେ ଚାହୁଁଛ ତମର ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ହେଇଯାଉଛି। ତମେ ଇଂଲିଶ ଶିଖବାଟା ତ 2 ମାସ ପରେ ଆଗରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଦେଲ ନା, ବଟ୍ ତମେ ବି ଏବେ ବି ତମେ ସାଏ ଫିଲ୍ କରୁଛ, ତମେ ନର୍ଭସ୍ ହେଉଛ। ସୋ ହ୍ୱାଏ ତମର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଯଦି ୟେସ୍ ଦେନ୍ this video is only for you. তোমার answer যদি yes তাহলে এই ভিডিও হচ্ছে তোমার লাগে। I was also face this problem. মুই also এই problem face করুছি। So I was learning grammar. I watch lots of YouTube videos. I listen lots of random conversation. But one day I realized English does not come when we study. English comes from daily practice. मुई random video, random YouTube video, random conversation video आउ खूब इंग्लिश कंटेंट मन देखुली आउ शिखुली। बट मुई गोटे दिन रियलाइज कली जे इंग्लिश खाली पढ़ले नहीं हुए। इंग्लिश जदि कहबाक अच्छे बेले डेली प्रैक्टिस करबाक पड़े। सो दैट्स व्हाई I created something special for you. So recently guys, I started a small WhatsApp group with one small mission. We practice English every day 1 hour to create real English speaking environment for learners. Most of us, we don't have a partner, we don't have friends, we don't have people with around to speak English. That's why only we understand English easily, but we don't speak English easily. So instead of waiting to perfect environment, I thought I made a WhatsApp group where we all are English learner, practice with together and grow together. मुई perfect English environment डगरा आगरू मुई भाविली कि मुई निजे गोटे इंग्लिश एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करनी जिनने कि आमे लर्नर्स माने इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस करि पार। This group is not for expert. से ग्रुप रे एक्सपर्ट मन से ने बिगनर इंटरमीडिएट आरो जे कि इंग्लिश सिखबा के चाहू से खाली से जॉइन करि पारबा। आउ we will practice together and grow together. So if you are really interested and really serious about learning English, then you can join. I will give link in the description box and also pin in comment, and I also give my WhatsApp group in bio. So that is for today guys. Keep learning, keep practicing every single day, even we make mistake, and we meet in the WhatsApp group. Okay, let's tata, bye bye.